The method for using this strategy is very simple, which I will discuss in this video, but first I'll add the indicators, and adjust their settings. So first I will add the stochastic. And then I will add 2 moving average lines. After adding it, you will first need to adjust the settings of the stochastic oscillator. After this I will also make some changes in the settings of the first moving average. And then finally, I will also make some changes in the settings of the second moving average, so that I can get a better entry point in the strategy. Now I'll show you the candle timings and expiry timings. So a 1-minute timing is good for this strategy. And a 2-minute expiry time works better. So I'll set it up this way. Now I have successfully set up the strategy here, and I will now place some entries based on this strategy. After searching for a while I found a good chart, so I had to do some analysis here, like there is a strong uptrend going on here. Then the market showed a slight decline here, but here it is seen that the market is not able to go down much. Because a support zone is being formed here, and this time also the market is showing a very good movement in the upward direction from this support zone, and I have also got uptrend signals with the help of indicators. As the blue and orange lines of the stochastic oscillator have crossed each other in the upward direction, and now it is moving from the oversold area to the overbought direction. And both the lines are parallel to each other, this indicates a strong upward movement, and here the white and yellow moving average lines are again making a cross in the upward direction. However, I think the cross has almost been formed. And that is why I have placed the entry here in the upward direction. That's great, my first entry was successful. The white and yellow moving averages have exhibited a clear bearish crossover, but the orange and blue lines of the stochastic have almost come close to oversold. But here after the formation of a candle reversal in the market, downtrend movement is starting again, that is why I am going to place entry on the downside here. So I've placed a triple entry here. There's also a small support here, so the market is likely to reverse from here. But I think I placed the entry at the right time. And that is why the chances of winning this entry seem higher. So a reversal candle is forming here in the market. But because our expiry timing ended at the right time, the entry here has won. So here there is a very good movement in the upward direction. Both the lines in the stochastic oscillator are pointing upwards, and the white and yellow lines have also crossed each other in the upward direction, and have given a good signal in the upward direction, and the market has created a good support zone here, so perhaps now the market may show upward movement for some time. So after getting all the indications, when the market started showing good movement in the upward direction, then I placed the entry here. And here too, after placing the entry order, the market showed good movement in an uptrend. So this time too I've received a signal in the uptrend, but I will only place one entry. Here both confirmations are giving a pretty good signal in the upward direction, yet I've only placed one entry, and the reason for this is the strong downtrend that is currently underway. Because during a strong downtrend, the chances of a market reversal are low. The market might form 1 or 2 green candles, and then the downtrend could resume rapidly. Therefore, it's better to take fewer entries in such situations so that it's easier to recover any losses. This time the chances of winning the entry were less, but in the last few seconds the market showed a good movement and my entry was successful. So here we have to pay attention to some things, like the market has moved up very fast, and now the market is trying to go down, but the market can take support at the resistance that has formed behind, and flow in the uptrend again, or it can break it and go down. So if I see a strong downward movement, I will just place an entry here as well. So here the market is showing a very good downtrend movement, so I will place an entry here. So here the market is showing good downtrend movement, and both the indicators are also giving good signals in the downward direction. That is why I have placed an entry here, and I think the market is likely to move in the downward direction, as most of the indicators are pointing towards the downside. It's great that my entry here won quite convincingly. So this time two very good signs are visible in the downward direction. As the white and yellow moving average lines have crossed each other quite nicely in the downward direction, and the orange and blue lines of the stochastic oscillator are indicating a strong downtrend in the market. There is a support level here, and the market can reverse from here, but by then our expiry timing will be over. Amazing, my entry here has won. It was a great chart. And this strategy is also very good. I like it a lot, but with this a little analysis of the chart will have to be done, so that good results can be seen in its ratio.